Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Carla and this is my messy bathroom. Before we dive into today's Declutter with me video, I want to welcome you to my channel. I make videos about getting organized, losing weight, 50 pounds so far, and redecorating my little sunny apartment here in Los Angeles. Basically, I want to be a stylish and happy woman living her best life. So make sure to subscribe if you want to come along on this journey with me. Let's do it together. Whenever I start decluttering, I always like to take everything out of the room and put it on a clean surface. So in this case, it was everything out onto the bed. Can you believe all of that was in my little tiny bathroom? There it is, all cleared out. And now it's time to actually start decluttering. So once you've taken everything out of the room and you can see absolutely everything in front of you, the first thing I like to do is just pick up one item at a time and ask myself, do I use this? Do I love it? Is it something I need? And there was a lot of stuff in there that I hadn't used for months. There were things in there that had expired. There were things that I had gotten as gifts. There were a lot of things. Here I am using some of the body oil. I have this weird habit where I will use something until it's 90% gone, and then I'll just hold on to it. Does anyone else do that? It's the weirdest thing. I'll use 90% of a lotion, 90% of a face cream, and then I'll just hold on to it. I also do this weird thing with samples. If I get some kind of sample from Sephora, I treat it like it's gold and I want to hold on to it forever. It is so weird. So yeah, a lot of those things ended up being decluttered, thankfully. Okay, so I have started categorizing things, putting heat tools together, shampoos together, makeups all in a pile. So I have quite a few different categories and each category needs a home. I realized that I need to get a makeup organizer that's vertical. I need more storage. This little bamboo ladder is a lifesaver. I got this from IKEA. And I also got this from IKEA. It goes over the door. I ended up not using it for the final project, but it's great as a space saver. I like that it's cloth. So these are the new organization cases that I got on Amazon. A generic one that I'm going to use for skincare, and I have a lot more skincare than I do makeup. So I already went through and I just kind of did by categories. I do feel like there's more I can get rid of, and I'm having a hard time letting go. I really feel like decluttering happens in stages. It's not always in one straight go. And after I did my first round and started bringing things back into the bathroom, even with this new shelving unit, I realized that I hadn't really gotten rid of enough stuff. It was still just going to be a little cluttered, a little overwhelming. And ultimately, I want my bathroom to be a peaceful haven. I want to walk in there and see beautiful things and to feel a sense of calm and ease. And it was still just making me feel overwhelmed. I still have too much stuff for this small of a space. I thought I'd show you a few of the things I've ended up throwing away that were in my bathroom. Extra toothpaste, old toothbrush, old makeup brush, comb I don't need, this jar that I was using for random stuff, these little razors, magazine that was in there, these little Christmas lights. I liked the way that they light, but it's just a pain in the butt. I'm gonna get some better lighting in there. These little hand scrub things when you want to loofah your body, but they're actually annoying because they're mitts and it's not easy to use them. They're gone. I love this mouthwash, but it's mint flavor, so I don't like mint. Shower cap that has a hole in it. I got a new deodorant. This one's pretty much gone. This little divider for the under sink organizer, a little sliver of soap, and this integrating heart strength compassion spray that is 90% gone. That's the trash. Now, these are the giveaways, are things that I'm getting rid of. Ask if friends want any. Some will just go out on the curb and if anyone wants to take it. This candle that's got a pumpkin scent. This peppermint foaming hand soap that I bought at the holidays that I never got around to using. This cute little glowing, again, I like the lighting of it, but I don't like that it's plastic. It looks like it belongs in a kid's room. So that's gone. This little tray that I've always loved that I got in Paris. It's the Little Prince, but I want my bathroom to go in a new direction. I want it to be more elegant, sophisticated, and more Parisian, but this little tin thing doesn't feel like that anymore to me, so yeah, I wonder if I'll regret getting rid of this, but for now, it's gone. This little candle that someone gave me as a gift. It's a really good smelling candle, so I'm gonna see if a friend will take this one. Yeah, never been used, brand new. But it's not a fragrance that I like. A lot of these things are just personal preferences, things that I don't like. This is a cup that I've loved and used as my toothbrush holder forever. It's from Anthropologie, but it has little chips in it, and I'm getting rid of things that are broken, chipped, old, make space for something new. I had 2 of these, so I'm getting rid of that one. Okay, grapefruit body scrub. I never use it. I don't like the smell of it. Anyways, an Oil of Olay body wash, incense matchbook, another candle. Someone else can use it. This hand cream that I just bought at Trader Joe's. This is the second hand cream I bought at Trader Joe's that I end up not really liking the way that it feels. I am just very picky. I don't like how certain things feel, how certain makeup feels or tastes or smells. What else we got in here? An Extra Vicks Vapor Rub microdermabrasion that I've had for 100 years. These heavy lashes that I will never wear. Another face razor, extra nail clipper, face mask, a lipstick, a body peel. Those are my, oh wait, is that everything? Yeah, there's more. Wait, there's more. A brush, another lipstick, this little glass spray bottle, makeup remover towels, this foundation that was never really the right shade for me, gone. This Sephora lipstick, I don't like it. This Juicy tube, this is another body peel, glass jar. Do I want this? No. Micro sculpting serum, lash serum. I never am gonna use this lash serum. Marula oil, 80% gone though. This dry bar sample, face cream and eye cream that I'm hoping a friend will take. Eyeliner, brow liner, eyeliner, makeup brush, liquid eyeliner. This is like glow serum that I added oil to and tried to make my own glowy body oil with. No. Very old blush from MAC, also a foundation. Getting rid of. So that's what's been decluttered today. I'm pleased. I'm happy with what got done today. There is nothing better than having a super clean and organized space. I love having my bathroom full of only the things that I love and the things that I need and the things that I use. It has made such a big difference when I'm getting ready in the mornings. Everything is streamlined and functional. Before, when I would get dressed in here, it was so easy to turn it into a complete tornado. And now I get ready in here, and because everything has a place to go, I can straighten everything up in 2 minutes. And it just feels like a very spacious room, even though it's teeny tiny. I'm really happy with the acrylic organizers that I found on Amazon. I love the makeup organizer. One of the things that I made sure to do was to put everything I found aesthetically pleasing out into plain view, and everything else went either into the medicine cabinet or underneath the sink. The things that are out on display are the things that make me feel happy. Under the sink, I have things I don't use regularly, but the things I still need, like sunscreen, extra shampoos and conditioners, all my heating products, my curling iron, my blow dryer. This makeup organizer has every piece of makeup I own. And I love the clear acrylic drawer that houses my skincare products. Let me know if this inspires you to declutter your own space. Let me know your thoughts and comments below. Make sure to subscribe for next week's video, and I'll see you then. Bye.